This is our last problem in our review that we did not get to do in class. It says find EA and AB for the square ABCD. Okay, so square ABCD, what should pop up in your head are all the properties of the square. And what are they? Well, the square has all the properties of the parallelogram, and it also has all the properties of the rectangle and the rhombus. So the diagonals in a square are congruent. It inherits that property from the rectangle. And the diagonals are perpendicular. It inherits that property from the rhombus. And also the diagonals bisect the angles, and that it inherits from the rhombus also. So the square has all the properties. So let's see. How do I find EA? Here is EA. Well, if the diagonals are congruent, that means that diagonal BD is equal to 8. That means AC has to be 8. Therefore, AE has to be 4. EA is 4. There it is. Okay? The next question is AB. How much is AB? We're looking for the side of the square. Notice that this little piece here forms a triangle, and we know that the diagonals are perpendicular, therefore this is 90 degrees. I have two of the sides, and the side they're asking for is the side opposite the right angle, which is the hypotenuse. And we usually find the hypotenuse of a right triangle by using the Pythagorean theorem. So in this case, I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. And you have that x squared, which is your AB, or what you usually label as C, the hypotenuse, is equal to 4 squared plus 4 squared. And that comes out to be x squared is equal to 16 plus 16. X squared is 32. And with your calculator, you take the square root on both sides, and you get that x is 5.7. Therefore, the length AB is equal to 5.7, and there you have it. The trick here is to remember that this is 90 degrees, and that I can use the Pythagorean theorem to find any of the sides. In this case, we found the hypotenuse. I hope this helps. I'll see you in class.